Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to change the website header. If you've got hosting with us, then log into the account. If this is the first time on seeing this video and you would like to try out by following this video, then if you go back onto the channel and look at the very first video, part 1, that will then show you where to find the site builder demo. So going back to changing the website header, we hold the cursor over where the logo and your website name is. Click settings, go to logo website, and just here you can change your website name, so change that to your website, and this is where you'll change your logo. To change your logo, click on the image, and then what you can do is upload a file from your computer, and then when you've done that, if you hold your cursor over the actual image and click on it, and then what that will do is automatically load it to this place here. And if you want to show your logo and your website title, then switch this on, save changes, and your header will be changed. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.